Good morning students. Let us start with maths of class 10th. So we have already done exercise 3A in the previous video. So in this now we will start exercise 3B. In this exercise most of the questions are of to find the investment. Means we have to find the investment done by the shareholder. Already you know the concept. These exercise 3B and 3C is similar. Only difference is there, somewhere you have to find the sum invested, somewhere you have to find the percentage of dividend, then number of shares, also market value, nominal value. Only these 3 to 4 types questions are there. So let us start 3B. First question. A man buys 75 rupees 100 shares paying 9% dividend. So number of shares are 75, then rupees 100 is nominal value. The value is given like this. This will be the nominal value, means the price of share. So 100 shares paying 9 not 100 shares, rupees 100 shares paying 9% dividend. Dividend you already know, dividend means profit. He got the profit. He buys share at such a price that he get 12% of his money. Means he purchases shares like this कि from the sum invested he got 12% as a return money. So at what price did he buy the shares? So means we have to find the investment. First of all, what is given you will have to write. So first question is exercise 3B. First question is nominal value of one share. Nominal value of one share, that is given rupees 100. So nominal value of, here 75 is given. So in the question 75 is given. So 75 shares, we will multiply rupees 100 by 75. It will give us 7500 rupees. So dividend is 9%, means we have to find the 9% of 7500. So 9% of rupees 7500. So 9 upon 100 multiply by 7500. 75 multiply by 9 will give you 675. So now question is, at what price did he buy the share? So we will have to find the market value. So let market value of one share is equal to rupees X. Then market value of 75 shares, then it will give us 75 multiply by X, that is 75X. Now profit on investment is 12%. So profit means this is the investment done by the shareholder. It was the previous nominal value. So we will take the profit from here. Profit on investment is equal to 12%. So 12%, we will have to find 12% of 75X. So 12 profit already he got 675. So 12 upon 100 multiply by 75x is equal to 675. So here, from here we will calculate the value of x, that will be the answer. I think question is clear. Let me solve this. X is equal to, this can be cancelled with 5, so 20, here 15, then again with 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, then 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so 3 3s are 9, 9x is equal to 675, then x is equal to 675 upon 9. So divide this, we will get rupees 75. So he invested rupees 75 on one share, but the nominal value was 100. So I think this concept is clear to you. Now next question. By purchasing rupees 25 gas shares for rupees 40 each, means nominal value of one share is 25 and market value is 40. By purchasing this, he get 40 rupees each. So we will write nominal value of one share is equal to rupees 25, then market value of one share is equal to rupees 40. A man gets 4% profit on his investment. He got 4% profit on the investment. So we will calculate profit on one share will be 4%. So profit on one share is equal to 4%. Means from these two we will take the profit from market value. 4% of rupees 40 is equal to 4 upon 100 multiply by rupees 40. Zeros cancel. So it will give us 16 upon 10, means 1 upon 6 rupees. So your dividend will be, then profit upon, its formula was profit divided by nominal value, because actually its price was 25 rupees, multiply by 100. So profit is 1.6, then upon nominal value is 25, multiply by 100. So calculate it, it will give 16 upon 10, then 25 will be in the denominator, multiply by 100. So we can cancel zeros, then 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So 16 multiply by 2 is 32, 32 upon 5 will give us 6.4%. So it is the dividend on one share. Already we have calculated for one share. Then total number of shares were here 60 shares. What is the dividend if he buys 60 shares? So number of shares is equal to 60, then dividend is equal to, dividend on 60 shares will give us 60 multiply by this 1 upon 1.6, it will give us rupees 96. So dividend on 60 share will give us 96 rupees. So this is the answer. Then question number 3, 100 rupees shares of a company are available in the market at a premium. What do you mean by premium? Premium is a condition when your market value is greater than your nominal value. So 100 rupee shares of a company are available in the market at a premium of rupees 20. Find the rate of dividend. Like in previous question we use this formula. Dividend is equal to profit upon nominal value multiply by 100. So then buy a company when a man's return on his investment is 15%. Man's return means he got the money back money means on his investment means he got the profit. So your profit is 15% is given. So let us do this. Third question, nominal value of one share is equal to rupees 100. Then market value of one share will give you 100 plus 20 rupees because you got the premium of rupees 20. So rupees 120. So profit already he got 15%. Now find 15% of this market value. I already told to you कि profit we will take from the market value, not from the nominal value of 120. So 15 upon 100 multiply by 120. Zeros are cancelled. Then 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18. Profit is of rupees 18. Then dividend is equal to profit upon nominal value. Here we will not write the market value, nominal value. This value is used to find the profit and nominal value is used to find the dividend. Nominal value multiply by 100%. So profit you already got 18, then divided by, then nominal value is 100 multiply by 100%. So 100 is cancelled, 18%. So 18% is the answer. Then fourth question is rupees 50 shares of a company are quoted at a discount of 10%. Find the rate of dividend. Here we will also have to find the dividend. Then given by the company, the return like previous question, it is profit. Investment on these shares being 20%. So profit percentage is given 20%. Then discount is given. Discount you will subtract from the nominal value, this market value. Then you will write कि nominal value of one share is equal to 50 rupees. Then the person sold by the discount of 10%. Then you will find the 10% of rupees 15. 5 answer will come. Then market value will be 50 minus 5 is equal to 45 rupees. Nominal value was 50. So profit is equal to 20%. So you can find 20% of 45. Then dividend, apply this formula, you will get the dividend value. So students, all the questions are same, only this formula and somewhere condition is given of discount or profit, that you will have to use and use this formula. Somewhere you have to find the investment. In that case you can suppose the your investment is equal to X. So by applying this formula you can calculate the answers of remaining questions. So try by yourself, answers are already given to you, you can take help from them also. So for today you will solve exercise 3B. Thank you and have a nice day.